Hi guys, welcome to IT Networking. And how can I fix this Windows Hello error code is 0x80090030. So guys, how to fix? I will give you step by step solutions. Okay, so firstly guys, ngc folder delete. So open file manager, open C drive, click to 3 tab, then click to options, view, show all hidden file to checked. Okay, then apply. Okay, then guys click to Windows, then guys press as service profiles, then local service, then app data, then local, again Microsoft, then delete ngc file. Okay, so right click, show more, and delete. Then guys click to start button and type cmd and then enter. You can try to run an administrator. Right click to run as administrator, so you're giving full permissions. Okay, then guys I have some command to repair your some corrupted Windows file. So this command I will give you in link in description, so you directly copy paste. Okay, first command is sfc/scan now. You look at in the screen. So some when you enter the some percentage like to start and find out to any corrupted file. Okay, and then second also check health your computers, and third also check, and fourth restore your health. Okay, so all four command is very important for your computers. Okay, and that all command I will give you in description, so you can manual type, otherwise copy paste what you want to do. Okay, so almost first complete, then second just a copy and then paste, copy and then paste. Okay, yeah, and then enter. Okay, now third. Then guys complete your process. Fourth count also done. When your system restart, and then check your problem is 100% solved. Okay, bye bye, take care, and you comment me have an issue, so WhatsApp me, number is on banner. Bye.